What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today we're going to be fixing the gap on my diffuser on my 2022 Honda Accord. So just like what I promised to you before, that I would come up with something in order to address this gaps over here. So right now what we're going to do is going to attempt to fix it. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be removing the bumper, and let's see if I could scoop up the tabs and we'll see how it goes. Before we get into the video, I just want to mention that this diffuser is from Ninte store, and they have several accessories and parts for the Honda Accords as well. And not just the Honda Accords, but then they also have from Mercedes-Benz, from BMWs and other car models. So if you guys want to grab some parts for your vehicle, I would leave their link by the description box below. And also I would drop my discount code in order for you to get 10% discount on any of your purchases. So let's get into the video.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, a disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic, it's like...
Okay guys, after intensive time of trying to figure out, trying to put the tabs onto the clips, it's not budging for some reason. It keeps popping out. And just for this diffuser, I'm not quite sure if we're missing tabs, but then when I installed it prior, is that it didn't have enough clips. So we have one over here in the middle, as you can see, and one right over here and one over here. So we're missing two on the side, one and two in the middle, kind of ish, and at the same time two on the side of this one. So the main issue is this right over here where the exhaust tips are. So I found the solution, kind of, and it's very tedious, and maybe for some people it might be unethical. So what I did, since the on these clips, right, as you can see, there's another tab over there. It's like a hook, but then it's too thin, and then this one is not holding it. So what I did is I squeeze mainly this part right here, as you can see right here. So this is what the diffuser looks like. I mean the bumper looks like right over here. So what I did, I pushed this in, and in order to put it on the clip, and I kind of messed up on this one right here. And as you can see right over here, the gap is a lot better compared to the first time we installed this diffuser. So what I'm gonna do is show you how I did it, and we're gonna work on this side. All right guys, so now what we're gonna do is just push this in. Matter of fact, we work on the other side. Seems to be a lot easier. So we're gonna push this in. So as you can see right over here, the tab is reaching, but at the same time it's keep popping out. So what you're gonna do is just push that in. Let's work on this side, and you want to grab a prior or a flathead, and what you're gonna do is just push this in. Just be very careful when you're pushing it in, since it's plastic. All right, so let me revise that. Go scoop the diffuser, and while you're scooping it, put pressure on the other side, underneath. Make sure that you are pushing it in, and same time on this one, you have to push it in there. and this might take some time, so just be very patient. There you go. Alright. And what you want to do, maybe grab another piece to actually pull it out, make sure everything's in there. There you go. And we're gonna work on this side now. Once again, you want to scoop it up. Then what you're gonna do, bend this little plastic. Again, if you're having this issue, there's one way to tackle this problem, but I couldn't think of anything else, so I came up with this idea. Might not be ideal to some people, but this is only when you're having a problem with the gap, like I did. So coming up with this solution. There you go. It's kind of hard to work. When you're alone. Next, I'm gonna squeeze this in. So at first I thought it was my accident that messed up my bumper, and when I finally opened up the bumper and took it to the shop, I was told that nothing's wrong with the bumper, it's completely fine. Alright guys, it's a little mess, but we put the tab now, and so you can see right over here, the gap is a lot better now. And the older spaces where it has like gaps in there, it's inedible. And we can't really do anything about it since there's no tabs around it to work on. And at the same time, it's secure enough, so it's not gonna go anywhere. So right now, I'm gonna put all the pieces back and I'm gonna show you the end result. Alright guys, so the bumper is back, the rear bumper is back. As you can see, there's no more gap on the diffuser itself. I mean, there's a little minor, but it is what it is. But it's actually a lot way better compared to the first time we installed the diffuser. And at the same time, I changed my side aprons. It's actually a lot better. I prefer this compared to the black one, but I like the black one as well. But yeah, as you can see right there, there's no more gap. It's actually way better on the fitment. So yeah, so that's pretty much it guys. I hope you find this video very informative and very helpful. I know it might not be the way that you really want to go, but if you're having a problem with the diffuser, that's pretty much, at first try to push it in as much as possible without removing the bumper. But when all hell breaks loose, then I guess you just have to remove the bumper and just try to pry it from inside itself. And with mine, I kind of had a problem with it at first because I thought it was due to the accident, but turns out the clip wasn't biting on each tab. So I came up with a solution. I was actually thinking about zip ties at first, but I was like, it seems a little tacky. But anyways, Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video to any of your friends and family. And let's try to get to a 3,000 subscribers. As a matter of fact, let's try to get to a 5,000 subscriber. And yeah, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you guys think. You think it's better or I could have done better? But yeah, all right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.